Today we're making lemon pepper roast chicken. Oh my God. Easiest recipe you will probably ever make. This is crazy.
All right, so first you want to take your chicken and pat it dry with a paper towel. You just want to get some of that extra moisture off. And then you're going to take your olive oil and just work it with your fingers all over every part of the chicken skin. Even underneath the skin, it's going to help it get nice and crispy. Now we're going to season liberally with your onion powder, garlic powder, thyme, oregano, some dill. Get all up in there, that's right. Your smoked paprika. Then you want to get your sea salt. Don't forget your rosemary. And some fresh cracked pepper. That's looking beautiful. Well seasoned. Alright, so you're going to need a lemon and about half an onion. You're going to slice half of the lemon. I'll show you what to do with that in a minute. Then you take your other lemon half and squeeze it all over the chicken. It's going to add to the flavor really nicely. So you're going to take your leftover lemon and that half an onion and just stuff the cavity. And you're just going to take some of that extra olive oil and again, just get all up under the skin. Just make sure every part of the skin is seasoned and has olive oil coated on it. Then you're going to put it in the oven. So a good rule of thumb is 375 degrees, 20 minutes per pound. In your last 20 minutes, you're going to take your bird out and you're going to baste it with the juices that it made. And that's when you're going to add on your lemon slices, okay? You don't want to burn them, so you just want to put them in the last 20 minutes. Throw it back in the oven, uncovered of course. And now it's ready. Oh. Easiest recipe, I'm telling you. It'll come out, the skin will be crispy, the chicken will be juicy and flavorful, delicious lemon, pepper, onion, garlic flavor. Get a little bit of smokiness from the smoked paprika. It's so delicious, y'all.
So pretty. I don't want to mess it up. But look how juicy that is. That's what I'm talking about. I bet you know it's that easy to roast a whole chicken. You don't have to be scared of it. Cheers. Shit, that's so good. Okay. That's it. It's perfectly juicy, skin crisp right up. I don't even know what else to say. You gotta make this. Lemon pepper roasted chicken. Easiest recipe you will probably ever make. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Definitely like and subscribe. Check out more of our recipes up here and up here. Eat well and be well. I'll see you next time.